Hello guys, how are you guys doing? How was your trading week? So I would have left this recording till tomorrow because of the noise from the rain, but I wanted to do it while I'm still feeling this emotional pain. So as you know, my trading right now, I'm not really focused on the dollar amount, but the percentage that I'm able to build week by week. This week started good. I didn't trade on Monday. I traded on Tuesday and Wednesday, which were both green days, very good. I didn't trade on Thursday. I didn't see any setup. And I traded today, Friday, and today I messed up. I went against my rules. I started entering trades when I was not supposed to. I think I entered up to like 6 to 7 trades. I was not supposed to. I entered trade even when the setup was not there. I messed up big time. This week was supposed to be a very good week because Monday and Tuesday were very, very sweet for me and very easy. But today being Friday, so what actually happened was, even though I didn't put it in this video, let me just explain it. What happened was I entered a trade, and even though it went my direction, he first of all kicked me out, and I felt very pained. And that was when the emotional breakdown began. So after he took me out, I still entered the trade when I saw it was still going in my direction. And then at that moment when I entered back, it has messed up with my risk to reward. So I was now targeting what I was not so I was targeting more than I was supposed to. Like everything was just messed up today. I lost that trade. I entered another one. I lost it. I was then jumping into trade without actually waiting for the setup to be there, and I feel really, really pained. So since I've been sharing my wins here, I thought to myself I might as well share the losses because they are both part of the trading journey. And I just decided to come and express how I feel here since I'm documenting my growth here. So you can see the chart. This middle screenshot right here. This is this week's result. This week's results are what I placed here. So I didn't trade on Monday. On Tuesday, I took one loss. I took a loss on Tuesday. I wasn't even supposed to take that first loss because there was news and I didn't check my economic calendar. I'm not supposed to enter that trade and I lost that. But then I saw a reason to enter the shorts, so I sold, and that was a very, very good trade. Then on Wednesday also I entered, followed the rules. I got a good trade, and then on Thursday I didn't see any trade. So on Thursday was I didn't enter any trade on Thursday because I didn't see any setup. But today being Friday, I saw the setup and I entered. Unfortunately for me, I got kicked out and it went to my direction, and that was when everything crumbled. That was when I started doing what I was not supposed to. Now, this is a very small account size. I don't really care about the money I lost. It's too small for me to care about it. But what I'm seeing is not just the amount, I'm seeing percentage. Every time I have a loss or a win, what I'm thinking is, so if this was a $10,000 account or 100,000, let's say if this was $100,000 account, for example, and I'm losing 5%, that means on a 100,000 account, that would be like 5,000. So if I carry this, if I take this, my character and my present behavior, and I don't fix it before I go into a very big account, it's going to mess me up. So that's the part that emotionally pains me anytime I face situations like this. I feel very broken, but the week is still a green week, even though it was a very, very small. It would have been better if I had followed my trading rule and everything.